Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung just gave out a teaser of a new foldable from factory. They have been working on it SDC 2019. The teaser start out with the current Galaxy Fold outer display which grow and then folds in half like clamshell. We have seen a poster and some rumors that it may also launch as the Galaxy W20 5G, which is hinted to arrive soon, so Samsung is serious about this clamshell device. Samsung Galaxy Fold has not been the massive success of the Korean giant has envisioned it, but it's finally out there. Samsung can easily claim it was the first major smartphone wonder to ship a floatable phone in 2019 and does deserve some credit for taking the risk and pushing forward with the launch of futuristic device well ahead of time. Floatable phone and laptop are recently going to become more prevalent in the coming years, but the technology is not quite there yet. Not to mention the sky-high price, Samsung will keep making floatable phones in the coming years, with a recent report saying the Samsung is planning a different floatable design, and the company just confirmed all the rumors, revealing that it essentially intended to launch Galaxy Fold 2 device that's will look just like Galaxy S10 or Note 10 that's fold in half. The Galaxy Fold features two distant display, the floatable screen on the inside that expand into a tablet-sized display, and a smaller external screen that lets you use the phone when it's floated. The next floatable phone, which may come as soon as next February, will look just like a 2019 all-screen hole punch smartphone. Samsung revealed the handset would probably feature a smaller display on the exterior to show notification and the quick information. Just like last year, Samsung unveiled the next floatable concept on a stage, the 2019 edition of its developer conference, and just like last year when Samsung soft launched the Galaxy Fold, the company had little to say about actually future of the upcoming phone. Samsung did run the following clip to show off its new floatable design concept. It also revealed the various One UI 2 changes its plan for Android 10 device, which include several little user interface tricks that will also accommodate the new floatable design. What's interesting to remember is the Motorola has planned a floatable phone launch it even of its own. The 2019 Motorola Razr will be unveiled in a couple of weeks, and the phone will probably hit stores well before Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 launches, but Samsung can still claim that it was first company in the world to confirm that its plan to bring flip phone back in the form of floatable handset. The Galaxy Fold 2, or whatever Samsung end up calling its Razr-like device, might be unveiled earlier next year alongside the Galaxy S11. At SDC 2019, Samsung show off two different ways of Infinity Flex display could fold. The left one is the Galaxy Fold, the one in the right is mock-up of unannounced phone that fold into a small square. So this is the current update about the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. If you like the video, thumbs up, and for more tech related video, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.